Hello, my name is Johnny, and I'm a proud member of the Lillian Cabinets team and family. Today we're going to put together a drawer-based cabinet. Let's get started. Here are the tools we'll need today to assemble our cabinet. A bottle of wood glue to help secure and bind the cabinet together. A Phillips screwdriver to adjust the hinges as necessary. A drill gun with a number 2 Phillips bit on it. A magnetic tip is recommended but not necessary. A rubber hammer to help set the cabinet as needed during the assembly process. We also recommend to lay down a cloth or cardboard during the assembly process to keep your cabinet damage-free. Start out by laying your face frame face down on your cloth and apply wood glue to all the dovetail grooves. Then slide your side panels into place using the grooves, making sure that they are flush with the face frame. Next, you will want to slide the bottom panel into place, making sure it slides all the way into the grooves. Now you want to take the rear panel and slide it into the back of the cabinet. Once in place, we can now slide in the front and back toe kick inserts and lock them into place with metal clips. There should be 4 of them, 1 for each corner. Now we can stand the cabinet up and secure it by attaching the corner braces to the top corners of the cabinet. With the braces fastened, we can now attach the L brackets to the cabinet using the pre-drilled holes on the back panel of the cabinet. Then we will proceed by sliding the drawer glides onto the brackets. Make sure the front of the glide is even with the front of the face frame. Then we want to attach it to the side of the face frame using the second hole. Starting with the drawer front, apply wood glue to the dovetail. Then using your rubber hammer, connect the drawer side to the drawer head via the dovetail. Finally, slide the drawer base into the groove. Continue using the same method for the back panel of the drawer. Now take your drawer connectors and put them in the corners of your drawer. Use the pre-drilled holes to fasten them to the drawer. Finally, pull out your drawer glides and set your drawer on the glides, then snap them into place using the glide connectors. And now you've completed the assembly of your drawer-based cabinet.